Today, we're diving into a full review of Traffix AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. Activate. Enjoy free traffic from 400 sources in as little as 21 seconds. That pulls in as much as $37.21 an hour for us. Freedom. Date, April 27, 2025. From, the desk of Billy Dar. Location, London, UK. 2, the hopeful beginner. The only app you need to absolutely crush 2025. Dear friend, are you fed up of not being able to crack the code yet? Are you sick of all the BS products being pushed your way nowadays? Are you desperate to break through and succeed in 2025? If you answered yes and want to succeed in 2025, then read every word of this letter. I know how it feels to be stuck and watch everyone else succeed. You start blaming yourself. You question yourself. But let me tell you right now. Stop, it honestly isn't your fault. The game is rigged that way. Now, you're not alone. So I set out to make a change. I turned to the internet in desperation and hope. Frantically seeking a solution. Exactly like you're doing now. Now I don't know your reason. But I'm guessing it's one of the following. Secret. I didn't know this one thing would change my life. I didn't realize at the time that this one thing would allow me to. It was simply understanding that I didn't need to. The only thing I did need was to understand this simple concept. Traffic plus something to sell equals endless cash. In fact, it results in non-stop payments. Cash that you'll never run out of. Generational wealth is what traffic allows you to achieve. Your grandkids will thank you for. Heck, traffic has even let me buy $1 million home. That's the power of traffic. And that's what I want for you. Now I make. Then my stinking job paid me. Remember that mean boss I told you about? Now I no longer needed to worry about him. Thanks to traffic. I can earn more in a day. Well, some days I probably take home more he does all month. Working a few minutes a day. It's insane. I didn't even know it was possible. All I knew was there had to be a better way of living. Hard. Not with our secret weapon. Doing things the old way. The manual way would be hard. You see, it's taken me the best part of 7 years. 7 years to get anywhere respectable. But I don't want you to wait 7 years. So I started brainstorming. How could I help average Joes and Janes break through to results? In other words. Now. That was the question. I discussed it with my team. And I knew the answer lied in helping people get free traffic. I'm not talking about old methods that take forever to get any meaningful results. You know, methods like. That is not what I'm talking about here. So we got to work and created what other internet millionaires are calling the best traffic app in the history of internet marketing. I'm talking about a brand new exclusive app for 2025 that, after months in development, tons of frustration and hard work, thousands of dollars spent, beta testers started getting results. All thanks to the power of our brand new 2-click app. And its ability to deliver 100% free buyer traffic from 400 sources in seconds. You're truly 2 clicks away. You probably haven't heard of anything like that before? Of course you haven't. Because nothing like this has ever existed before. It's totally brand new for 2025. And perfect for absolute beginners. People who have zero tech skills and zero previous experience. Built completely from scratch. Not to mention battle tested to ensure it delivers results, period. Even during the pandemic. These aren't some old outdated traffic sources that nobody uses. These traffic sources have real humans who whip out their credit cards and cause a buying frenzy like nothing you've ever seen before. You'll be able to leverage 400 of the world's best traffic sources from one dashboard. Ultra powerful. With this app in your hands, failing is not even an option. If you can click a button or two, you can get results. Automation at its finest. Which means you just need a couple of minutes a day to get results. And the room for error. The margin for failure has totally been eliminated. Thanks to the latest automation technology. Developed by my team of programmers. We're calling it AutoFire, technology which lets you leverage 400 traffic sources in 2 clicks. In a 100% fully automated fashion. This is something new which you've never seen in the market before. Why? Because like I said, it's first to market technology developed by us. For you, in order to help you succeed. Could look like this. Picture that. What would you be able to do with results like that? Imagine the power that it will give you. The power to help. Activate. Enjoy free traffic from 400 sources in as little as 21 seconds that pulls in as much as $63.21 an hour for us. The brand new Traffix AI app. New, 2025, beginner-friendly app gets you unlimited free buyer traffic in 21 seconds from 400 of the hottest sources, all from one dashboard in 2 clicks. Autopilot $37.37/hour system. The Traffix AI app gets you free buyer traffic but also comes with the exact system built in that we use to turn that free traffic into $37.37 an hour. Over-the-shoulder tutorials. Imagine looking over the shoulder of a millionaire as he walks you through the simple steps to get free visitors that turn into $37.37 an hour. Well, imagine no longer, because that exact training is included with your purchase. Ready Fire Profit Guide. If you don't like watching videos, we have a 60-second guide that shows you the exact process we followed to get free traffic and $37.37 an hour flowing in. Live chat support. We know the state of market, with most vendors taking forever to reply or flat out not replying at all. That's why our promise is to be there for you on live chat 24/7 to give you the best chance of succeeding. The 3 steps to $549.49 in 8 hours. We're also including a real-life case study walking you through the exact steps we took to pull in $594.48 in 8 hours using the Traffix AI app. Call to millions. We know some people still enjoy the old-fashioned touch of human-to-human interaction, so you'll get a 15 minutes onboarding call with a millionaire, where you can ask questions, get help and get results. The live training. There will be a live stream where we'll actually show you how we use the Traffix AI app to get free traffic and sales in front of your very eyes, and yes, this will be recorded. Guaranteed approval. What good is traffic without having proven offers that convert into cash? So we're also including guaranteed approval on all our products so that you can turn traffic into sales like we do. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.